Imagine this. What if the hobby you love, the skills you already have, or the spare time you spend scrolling online could be transformed into real income? What if there was a way to make money flexibly without a big investment or advanced experience? Welcome to the world of microtasks, where your passions can become profit, one small task at a time. Let me walk you through how this works. Not just the idea, but actual steps you can take today to start earning and scaling. What are microtasks and why do they matter? Microtasks are small, focused jobs that anyone can do online. Businesses and individuals outsource these tasks because they're repetitive, time-consuming, or require skills they don't have. These tasks can range from transcribing a 10-minute audio file, categorizing images for AI systems, managing a social media post schedule, or even creating quick designs. Why are microtasks growing in popularity? Two reasons. First, they offer incredible flexibility. You can work when you want, from wherever you are, and choose tasks that fit your skills and interests. Second, the barrier to entry is low. You don't need years of experience or advanced training to get started, just the willingness to learn and try. But here's where most people go wrong. They hear about the idea, but never take action. Let me show you how to get started step by step. Step 1. Find the right platform for you. Your journey begins with finding the right platform where these tasks are available. Each platform has its unique strengths. Here are a few. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Perfect for repetitive, straightforward tasks like data entry, categorization, or surveys. Fiverr. Ideal for creative gigs like writing, graphic design, or even voiceovers. You create a profile and offer specific services. Upwork. A broader freelancing platform that matches you with tasks ranging from beginner-friendly data jobs to advanced consulting roles. AdsRepay.com. A platform with microtasks geared towards hobbyists, from reviewing content to testing apps. Research is key here. Explore these platforms to see what resonates with your skills and interests. Read reviews and make sure the platform is reputable. Avoid sites that feel too good to be true. They probably are. Step 2. Set up a strong profile. Your profile is your storefront. It's what potential clients see first. A weak profile can cost you opportunities, but a great one can open doors. Here's what you need to do. Highlight your skills. Be clear about what you're good at. If you're offering transcription services, mention your typing speed and accuracy. If you're great at social media, list tools you know, like Canva or Hootsuite. Show proof of work. Even if you're new, you can create sample projects. For instance, design a mock logo, write a short article, or share a link to something you've created. Use a professional photo in clear language. People trust profiles that look polished. Here's a pro tip. Start with a niche. Instead of saying, "I can do everything," pick one or two areas to focus on. It's easier to stand out as a specialist than as a generalist. Step 3. Start small and build momentum. Once your profile is set up, start applying for tasks. Many platforms let you bid on jobs or set your rates. In the beginning, focus on getting experience and building reviews. Even if the pay seems small at first, those first few projects help you establish credibility. Here's how you can complete tasks effectively. Be reliable. Deliver on time every time. Many platforms rank freelancers based on consistency. Communicate clearly. If you're unclear about a task, ask questions early. Clients appreciate clarity. Learn as you go. Each task is a chance to refine your skills or pick up new ones. For example, doing a few transcription tasks might teach you shortcuts for faster typing. Step 4. Learn and scale your microtask business. Once you've completed a few tasks and gained confidence, it's time to scale up. Here's how. 1. Expand your skill set. If you started with simple data entry, consider learning transcription or basic graphic design. There are free resources like YouTube and Coursera for practically every skill. 2. Increase your rates. As your reviews and experience grow, don't be afraid to raise your rates. Many freelancers start with low prices but quickly scale up once they build a solid reputation. 3. Diversify your platforms. If you've been successful on Fiverr, try branching out to Upwork or other sites to expand your reach. Time management becomes critical as you scale. Block out specific hours for microtasks, but leave room for breaks and personal time. A balanced approach ensures you can sustain this work long term. Step 5. Turn microtasks into a sustainable income. The beauty of microtasks is that they can evolve into more than just side income. Over time, you can use the experience and skills you've built to launch a full-fledged freelancing business, start a specialized service, or even create your own product or course to sell. But remember, none of this happens without action. Here's what you can do today. Choose one platform from the list I mentioned. Sign up, explore tasks, and create your profile. Identify one skill you're comfortable starting with, something you're already good at or willing to learn quickly. Apply for 3 tasks, even if they're small. The goal is to get started, not to be perfect. Commit to spending just 1 to 2 hours a day working on these tasks. Even small steps add up over time. Your takeaway. This isn't just about making a little extra cash. It's about unlocking opportunities you didn't know existed. It's about taking control of your time and income, starting small, and building something meaningful. Microtasks are your gateway to that possibility. The question is, will you take the first step? The platforms are waiting, the tasks are there, and the potential is limitless. So don't just watch this video. Take what you've learned and act on it, because every great journey starts with a single small step. Now, go turn your passion into profit.